permission to ask permission next time you need the witness to refer to the hospital.
Would you like to repeat the question?
Yes, please.
Are there any types of witnesses that are reported should not be?
Unreliable witnesses, these generally being people who are either get on television, whose accounts of events are highly unreliable, or otherwise who normally be what a normal person would say as something is wrong with this person, or what they are giving the report.
With permission to have the witness lie back to the broadcast.
Let's have a question first.
Okay. What did you find, based on your review, what did you find most remarkable about how a reporter should use their opinion?
Well, there's still several standards in using an opinion. The biggest one is to emphasize that it is your opinion.
And can you please show the court where Tweed and Times used this opinion in this broadcast? Permission to have you step down.
You get comments, use terms such as it appears, which lends it to, which implies that it's his interpretation of events and not that. It's also up here, where it's referring to the ticker that runs along the bottom of the screen. It says that you may be the shooter. That leaves a great deal of uncertainty, which also lends itself to being an opinion. There are several other cases of such terminology in this report.
And in your professional opinion, do you view words like maybe or it appears to be direct? To be direct, like to be objective?
I tend to find these words indicative of an opinion, as they lend themselves to, they're not indicative of being objective, but are indicators of subjective opinions.
Mr. Mead, the last rule you talked about was how a reporter should use a retraction. Now, how do you feel about retractions?
Retractions are a standard part of the art of journalism. They're often used when a report contains factual errors.
And does a retraction mean that a reporter is negligent?
Absolutely not. Oftentimes, even reliable sources such as the police either don't have all the facts or just by their own means disseminate wrongful, incorrect information, which is then relied on the report and gets broadcast.
Could you please show the court where in this broadcast it might have pointed to the audience to look for a retraction?
I can.
Permission to have them step down.
The broadcast is concluded with the last sentence implying that for news, that this was a breaking news event, and that or would be available, and that or would be available on the internet and specifically online, where the retraction was later brought. Please, no.
Useful.
Where the retraction was later issued.
Stand. Better now.
I'm getting this, I'm getting this. It's good stuff.
Some good stuff.
Permission to have them do that, what you said.
Part of that.
Now, are there any other guidelines that a reporter should follow when reporting on people?
The primary one when reporting on people, it refers to whether the person is a public figure. In the cases of involuntary public figures or children, you want to be very careful on what you report. A person that is a public figure, there is much less standard because they are a public figure and in the spotlight, and have more free range on reporting.
Do you view Drew Walton as a public figure?
By definition, all politicians, all political candidates are public figures, so yes.
Did you come to a conclusion with a reasonable degree of certainty on this case?
Yes, I did.
And what was your conclusion?
I concluded that there was no breach in journalistic ethics.
Thank you. No further questions.